hesitation, go any further. Hindi na kamunamon niya pagpahulton. Sinodi ang gahulat para sa mga surprises this evening! And speaking of surprises, sinodi ang nagsubaybay sa kakatapos lang na Pinoy Big Brother! There you go. What an energy of the crowd. And I guess they are ready. She is ready to entertain all of us this evening. And we would like to request the crowd in front to please settle down to avoid any accidents while the performance is ongoing. Ladies and gentlemen, Gaban Kalanon at Attack Star Magic, Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 Big Winner, ang anak kabugerang influencer ng Mandaluyong. Let's all welcome Fiang Smith!
You're on your phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's calling up about something like she said. She doesn't know you're human like I do. You're in my room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, but she'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear a t-shirt. She's cheer captain and I'm on a bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find and what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walk in the streets with you and you worn out jeans. I cannot thinking this is how it ought to be. Loving on the park and thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that can light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while. She's who brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find and what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You've been niya pa? Ayoko na. Pagod na. Ha? Ano? Anong bullet? Aba, ayos kayo ah. Gusto niyo pa ng isa? Eh di kayo kumanta. Joke lang. Okay, next song po. Allah. Ayaw ata ni Kuya mag-play. Hold up!
Labis na naiinip, nayayamot sa bawat saglit. Kapag naaalala ka, wala naman akong magawa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa gabi hanap-hanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghihirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha at naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigil ang mag-isip na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba. Balisa, knock on wood, wag naman sana. Umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa gabi hanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghihirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha at naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Umuwi ka na, baby. 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 Umuwi ka na, baby.
song is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po muli natin ang Ana Kabugera, ang influencer ng Mandaluyong. Ayun, take a selfie po muna, Piang. And please stay for a short interview. Piang, welcome to Cabancalan City.
Yes, maraming salamat po.
First time niyo po ba?
Opo.
How was it being your first time sa aming minamahal na syudad?
Grabe, ang dami palang tao dito. Kasi kanina po, nasa van lang ako naka-standby. Akala ko ito lang yung tao. Hala, nagulat ako paglabas. Napakadami pala.
Piang, pwede bang isang malakas naman na pagbati sa ating mga audience? Cabancalanos.
What's up, Cabancalanos?
There you
Bye.
go. Piang, can we have a photo opportunity with you? Isa lang po na photo opportunity with Piang, together with our audiences. Please stay right there. Okay po, wait lang po. Official photographer po muna tayo. And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Smile, everyone.
Ganon kayo ng kamay!
Rockstar po!
Ganyan!
Rock po tayo! Ladies and gentlemen, kaway-kaway po tayo lahat! Wave! And there you go. Maraming salamat po, Piang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Piang. Last na lang po. May gusto po ba kayong show na gustong i-promote or mga channels po na dapat subaybayan ng ating mga audiences?
Ayan po, abangan niyo po ako sa January 24 sa Abra. Kasama ko po doon si JM. Wawa. Wawa, thank you ah. Hindi, pero totoo, kasama ko po doon si JM. And yan, every Sunday po, abangan niyo po din kami, dalawa ni JM. Sa ASAP po, yan, magpa-perform po ulit kami sa darating na Sunday. And every Sunday na po actually ang ASAP namin, so abangan niyo po yan. And sa February 15, Taytay Rizal. February 21, to 25, nasa Dubai po ako. Bakit? Yan lang po, maraming salamat. And, pala, if gusto niyo po akong makita, please follow me on my social media account. All my social media accounts are Sophia Smith po. Hindi po Fiang Smith, Sophia Smith po. Ano ba yun?
Once again, Cabancalanons, let's give it up for Sophia Fiang Smith! Maraming salamat po.
And, always remember who did! Tama!
Thank you so much. Once again, palakpakan po natin Sophia Fiang Smith, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po!